Hi guys, welcome back for your week 25 of PE. Um, this week we are now going to be learning about overhand throwing. So you have your warm up. For your warm up this week, you're going to do this rock, paper, scissors fitness battle. So you're going to play rock, paper, scissors against the computer. And then based on if you win, lose, or tie, you will do the designated exercise. So you're going to have that for your warm up this week. And then you are going to learn about how to throw overhand. So this week, same thing, I'm going to be teaching the students how to throw overhand this week. So here is the video that you are going to watch to learn how to throw overhand. And there's a little activity at the end as well that you can play to work on overhand throwing. And then I provided an extra overhand throwing challenge that you can participate in as well. So you have those options to do as well. So along the video, if you want to stop and pause and just kind of practice as she's going through the things that you should be doing. Go ahead and make sure you do that, and then you can participate in the overhand throwing activity that she's provided in this video. And then if you still have some time left and want to practice, there's an extra overhand throwing challenge that you can do here. If we look at your standards for this week, kindergarten, throw a variety of objects forcefully using an overhand motion. First grade, demonstrate an overhand throwing motion for distance using correct technique. So we're looking at the ability for you to use the correct technique when you are overhand throwing, as well as distance, looking at how far you can throw. And then second grade, demonstrate an overhand throwing motion for distance, demonstrating correct technique and accuracy, your ability to get as close to the target as possible. So that is what we're going to be working on for this week, and next week we will be working on overhand throwing. All right, so that is going to wrap up our lesson for this week. I hope you have a great week. Continue to be safe, make some great choices, continue to get in lots of exercise, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.